Yo, 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 yo! I hope you're doing well. My name is Navi Tassini, and this is another tutorial by Hyperpix. This is a text effect, a chrome text effect actually, and gives a metal look, plus water drops, which is like very interesting. Like, just look at these cool details. Let's look at these colorings and that like watery look. It still looks metal from outside. Okay, if you want to get this, go to hyperpix.net and download it, plus hundreds of other text effects. Right click on the yellow layer and select edit content. There it is. Okay, now here, all we gotta do is double click on each text layer. Now just double click on thumbnails and type whatever you want. There it is. Another text layer. There it is. Okay. You can resize the text, change the letter spacing, and actually change the font. Okay, we're done here. Close it and select yes. There it is. Easy peasy, as simple as possible. You can see the details, everything applied to your text. Okay, beautiful. Now I'm going to show you how the other layers works. First layer is the color change layer. Double click on it and change the variables so you can get new colors. There it is. As you can see here, we can change saturation and hue, and also we got everything that we need to change the color. Next one is sparkles. These sparkly things, sparkly lights here, select them and place them on the edges of your design so you can get a reflective surface. I just recommend you put them on the white parts and the highlights of your design. It's gonna look good, I promise you that. Okay, you can also duplicate them and just put them where you want. Okay, next one is lines. These two lines up and down of our design here. It's not really necessary. You can just disable it. Every text is editable. Just double click on the text layer, thumbnail, and type your own text. Okay, this is not copyright, so don't worry about that. Next one is style folder, which contains the technical parts of our design, like all the nerdy stuff. So just skip this one. Next one is lights behind our design here. You can select them and double click on them and change their color. Yeah, just from color overlay, just select every color you want. We got two light layers. Okay, from top, you can see their resolution from here. Like we got a lot of amazing details in this design. You can see here, and high resolution lets you to use it anywhere you want. Okay, disable the background layers, and you're gonna get the transparent look here. Okay, can we do this on a logo? The answer is yes. Double click on the yellow layer, and in this window, import your logo. Let's import Coca-Cola's logo, right? Okay, resize the position in the middle. Okay, just disable the other two layers and close the window and select yes. Boom! As easy as possible. Well, look at these details. This is beautiful, clear, sharp, and amazing. So, do you really want to have this like these edges that we had in other, like here, like these sharpness on the edges of your design? Can we do this on a logo? Well, the answer is yes. I'm gonna show you how. Okay. Convert your logo to a smart object, and from filters, select distort and select ripple. Okay. Now you're gonna have like something like our some of that text style. You can just change the variable in amount, put the size on medium, put the amount like 500. Did you see that? We got something like that. Close it, and there it is. There it is, easily and beautifully applied to our logo. Look at the beautiful details. Okay, let's see the result here. Okay, it's totally up to you. Just choose whatever you want. Okay, can we do this on Nike? Import Nike's logo. Okay. All right. So I want this one here. Look, I want this like reflection on the water. Can we do this on this logo? I want to show you how. For example, I want to choose this. Let me show you how it works. Type a character. Like remove the other text layer. Now, I want the drops to be from like at the bottom of our logo here. So I'm gonna position it right here. Just keep looking at the bottom of your drops. Like we're gonna erase the rest of the part. Okay. So trust me, this one and this one. Okay. And duplicate it, and you can change the character actually. It's gonna totally look different. Very easy. Don't worry about the font actually. I forgot to tell you that the font is presented to you in a separate folder, so don't worry about that. Okay, do the same thing, type, and keep looking at the bottom of your text. I'm gonna select J. I'm gonna put it down here. Okay, this is a trick actually. Okay, I'm gonna change the character here. Okay, it's good, right? Okay. Keep doing it, keep doing it. I think you got the hang of it, right? We're gonna have this grunge look here. Alright, it's good. So let me erase the rest of them. Select all the text layers. And select Command G or Control G. Now select mask. Now pick a brush and pick a hard brush and select the black color. Now mask the unwanted part. Just like this. Did you see that? Very easy. I'm sure most of you know that, but now that's all you gotta do to have this beautiful look. Close it and select yes. There it is. Look at these water drops. Totally simulated. This chrome plus water look looks great on our Nike logo, right? Okay. I hope you enjoyed this one just as much as I did. Put the sparkles where you want. If you want to download this, go to hyperpix.net, please, and get a premium account and have access to this and a lot of other text effects. You can go get your free designs and our freebies. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Well, thanks for watching this one.